All right, we're going to take a look at the US market as of 17 September 2025. We're going to take a look on the Finviz website, and we're going to start within the software infrastructure. In the S&P 500 index, where every stock is categorized by sector and industry, where you see all the size represents all the market cap. And we can see we're going to start with Microsoft first. Microsoft, as of this morning, is 1.23%, and Microsoft is planning to invest more than $30 billion in its UK operations and artificial intelligence infrastructure over the next 4 years. The software maker said on Tuesday ahead of US President Donald Trump's second state visit to Britain. In the plan, Microsoft will expand its UK capital expenditures by $15.5 billion and bring 23,000 advanced AI chips to the UK, company President Brad Smith told reporters. The UK business's climate has improved in the past few years, Smith said, after the country's antitrust regulator dropped opposition to Microsoft Activision Blizzard's acquisition in 2023. Next, we're going to move on with the NVIDIA update, which is within the semiconductor industry or sector. NVIDIA is also down by 1.61%, and the latest update on NVIDIA RTX 6000D, its newest artificial intelligence chips tailored for the Chinese market, has seen only lukewarm demand, with some major tech firms opting not to place orders. Two people with knowledge of procurement discussions said. The RTX 6000D, designed mainly for AI inference is seen as expensive for what it does, the two people said. They added that testing of samples show its performance lags the RTX 5090, a chip banned by the US for use in China, but which is still readily available through grey market channels at less than half than RTX 600D's price of around 50,000 yuan, which is $7,000. Chinese tech giants, including Alibaba, Tencent and ByteDance, are also waiting for clarity on whether orders from NVIDIA's H2O chip will be processed, separate source said earlier this month. The US firm regained permission to sell the H20 in July, but shipments have yet to restart. Additionally, the firms are hoping that NVIDIA's B30A, a much more powerful chip than the H20, will be approved by Washington. The three chips are downgraded versions of models sold outside China, developed to comply with export restrictions put in place by the United States, which wants to rein in Chinese tech progress and retain its lead in AI development. And next, we're going to go for the updates on the Amazon, which is under the internet retail industry. Amazon is up by 1.13%, and the latest updates on Amazon has teamed up with Faye to provide personalized insurance cover dietitian services through the e-commerce giant's digital health platform, the nutrition care startup said on Tuesday. And why it's important? The move makes Faye the first nutrition care provider on Amazon's health benefits connector, which helps enroll customers match with digital health companies for health conditions such as diabetes or musculoskeletal issues, as well as mental health support. Faye used artificial intelligence to match users with registered dietitians based on their goals and health history. The startup did not disclose financial terms of the partnerships, and that is the latest updates on Amazon. And for the newest and latest update for Tesla, Tesla shares jumped 6% in early trading on Monday after CEO Elon Musk disclosed his purchase of about $1 billion worth of the electric vehicle maker's stock in the latest vote of confidence from the billionaire in the company's future. The stock's purchase, Musk's first open market buy since early 2020, comes at a critical time for Tesla as it races to hit its ambitious goals of transforming into an AI and robotics powerhouse while grappling with slowing car sales. The move also reinforced Musk's push for greater control over Tesla and comes just over a few weeks after the company board proposed a $1 trillion compensation plan for Musk, addressing Musk's demands and the setting out lofty financial and operational targets. Musk had purchased 2.57 million shares on Friday, paying between $372.37 and $396.54 per share, and this is according to the regulatory filing on Monday. And the update for Tesla as of this morning is up by 2.82%. We move on next to the Google update. As of this morning, is down by 0.14%, and Meta is up the opposite performance of Google, which is 1.87%. For Google specifically, said on Tuesday it would make £5 billion, which equals to $6.80 billion in new investments into Britain ahead of US President Donald Trump's state visit to the country, which is expected to feature a flurry of businesses, deals and partnerships. The US tech company also announced the opening of a new data center close to London, designed to help meet growing demand for its AI-powered services like Google Cloud, Search, Maps and Workspace. The investment is a powerful vote of confidence in the UK economy and the strength of our partnership with the US Financial Minister Rachel Reeves said in the company's statements. The Alphabet's own company said the investment is projected to create 8,250 jobs annually at British businesses. And we can say that the announcement will be seen as a boost for British Prime Minister Keir Starmer's Labour government, which is hoping to attract private investment to grow a sluggish economy and regain momentum in national opinion polls. The Trump visit is also expected to deepen economic ties between the two Western allies. Senior US officials have said that economic deals worth over $10 billion would be announced. And that is the few updates within the S&P 500, which is the US market, and definitely we will continue to bring updates domestically and globally, especially within the US market.